rectangular shaped example here? That edge has gone. Yeah.
Cupboard.
Here.
Cupboard.
Cupboard. What about this? Keyboard. Tell me, what is this measurement of board called?
Length.
What is this measurement of board? Then what are the dimensions the rectangle has?
Length.
Has area of rectangle. How you can calculate the area of rectangle? Somebody was telling here. Very good. Is she right?
Yes.
So let's see. If we shrink either length or breadth, if we make it as equal, we will get one more geometrical shape. What is that?
Square.
It is square. So what is the area? Yes.
A into A.
A into A. That is side into side. How I can represent A into A mathematically? Yes. It is A square. So A square. That is the side square. Speaking of square, I saw a girl, your junior, 8th standard girl, who was cutting a paper into square shape. She has already cut the square. The problem was, then she realized she wanted to have a bigger square. Okay? So she cannot waste that sheet because she had limited sheet. You want to see what she has cut? So this was something she has cut. Okay? Now her problem is how she can convert it into bigger square. So do you know the answer how she can do it? Just think about all possible ways. Already cut it, but she has to make it as a big square. Okay? So just think about what are the different ways she can use so that she can have a big square. Just turn to your neighbor and tell to him or her what idea you have got. Just share your idea with your friend. So some idea how she can make it as a big square. This is your thought. Both of your thought you have to present.
Paste another same size of rectangle.
Another side, one side he is telling rectangle he has to paste. Correct? Imagine this is a square she has cut. So here one rectangle, here one rectangle, here one rectangle, here one rectangle. Is it a square? No. Something else it has become, no? See, they have got some idea over there. Look at their idea, if that is the same idea which you have got or what? Same. A side, that is the length. So here what is that if she has to increase?
Length.
What is that she has to increase?
Length.
If she increase only length, one line, is it work?
No.
Only line this side, does it work? No. What exactly she has to increase? She has to extend it on the both sides. Multiplying or she, yes, she is adding. Therefore, what is the resultant? It is A plus B. What will be the breadth? So A is already there. What will be the breadth?
B.
B, only B.
A
plus B. The area of this new square. Just discuss and tell me the answer. What will be the resultant area of new square? New area. A plus B is the. Okay, this square has already discussed.
A plus B whole
Square. See, almost all the pairs have got the answer because I'll go with that pair. Tell me the answer. Why it is A plus B whole square?
because both
Both
are
are same. Whole, because A plus B as a whole she is taking. So it must be the area is A plus B whole square. Let us see how she has done it. She has added one rectangle as you mentioned earlier. One side has been extended here. Now tell me what is the area? This area you have told me A square. What will be the area of this? Because we have to have A plus B whole square, no? We don't know what exactly A plus B whole square. So extended rectangle you have got here. What is the area of this rectangle? Discuss and write. So A into B is the. So one thing is A square, another is AB. Now what is that to be increased? Let in this side A plus B. What will be the area? Is it a complete square now? No. What has to be done? One small part is pending. What will be the side here? C. No. What is the measurement of this side? Because this is a rectangle. It is B. Are you all agreeing with me?
Yes.
What is the measurement of this one? B. So here you are getting a small geometric shape whose side is B and B. Whether it is a rectangle or square?
Square.
And what will be the area of this square?
A.
This
B
is
square.
B. B. Therefore area is
B square.
it is B square. First word to give me the answer. Yes. Why it is 2AB?
Because
Are they like terms?
Yes.
Like terms can we add?
Yes.
So square plus AB square. So we have given one name for this. You know what it is? In algebra we call this under one heading. Yes? Algebraic identities. So A plus B whole square. You can see it now, right? Instead of by hearting, you can actually see it how A plus B whole square can be visualized. You can visualize it, correct? PBMP was building a tank. Okay? And you know which shape tank they were building? It's a cubical tank. Some point after building, they realized, okay, whatever the capacity we have thought is more than what we have actually built it, because people are more, so they need extra water, so storage is not sufficient. So they thought of increasing the length of that cube. How they can find the actual capacity of that new tank? What is that they have to increase? Surface volume they have to increase. How they can do that? Shall we find out in today's class? So we are going to find out how we can increase the volume of new, how we can find out the volume of new cubicle. For that, let me have a small group activity. Can you join them? One, 6 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Boys, 6 groups. Girls, 6 groups we have got. We have got a question now. How to find the volume of new cubicle tank. Here afterwards, whatever we do, we'll do it in the group. Okay. No individual answer. So identify the leader in your group. One person who is going to give me the answer. All your group members should agree. And your leader is in your group and you have to give me the answer. Now I want the dimension. Say it has a length A. And you all said it is cube. Therefore, what are the remaining dimensions? Discuss, and whichever group is ready, raise the hand. If it is A, what can be this? What can be this? Let me take some measurements. Say this is 7 inches. Let length be the 7 inches. What can be the breadth of a cube if length is 7? Length is A units. Breadth can be B units and height can be C units? No. Then what it should be? A only. Why? It's a cube. How we can find the volume of this cube? Volume. A cube. Why you say it is A cube? Discuss and tell me. So what is the volume? A. So all the groups are agreeing with that? Yes. So how we can find the volume? Length into breadth into height. Now, in the similar case, here we have extended one breadth. Here, to increase the volume with B units, what are the different measurements? What are the different dimensions to be increased? A is already there. A bit is increased by B. Still I want a cube. What will be the height and breadth? I want to increase. As per the problem, I want to increase this. If I increase it by b units, what will be the side measurement? A plus b. That we have already seen. Correct? So length is a plus b. Then breadth, how much it should be increased? Height, how much it should be increased? Correct?
Yes.
So what will be the volume? Volume will be
A plus B whole cube.
I want to increase something here. I want to increase something here. I want to increase something here so that I can get a bigger cube. Resultant should be cube only. So what will go into this? For that, I'll be providing you small shapes. I want all of you to observe that carefully. See it. What is the length, breadth and the height? Either it can be A or it will be B, and you have to write the volume. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Is it not same? Yes. So this is A. And what about this? Is it same here?
Yes.
So what is that?
B.
Here? This one?
A.
Then this is?
A.
So smaller one is B. Bigger one is
A.
Smaller one is
B.
Bigger one is
A.
Smaller one is
B.
Bigger one is
A.
Length is
B.
height is
A.
breadth is
B.
So will you find out the volume?
Yes.
Shall I give it to each group? Groups are ready?
Yes.
Are you ready with your answer?
Yes.
So did you get the volume?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
So shall we try to join it and see whether we can get the bigger cube?
Yes.
Now, listen to me. So this is A, correct? We have extended something here, correct? B. So what will be the height here? A, correct. What will be the breadth here?
B.
This is
A.
A only. So what will be the volume that, what will be the cuboid that will go here? A squared B. Who has got A squared B? Just raise your hand. Whoever has given the answer, no problem. You are not here to fight. Come. Okay, come. You can keep it here. Did we get the cube? No. He is keeping it here. Did we get the cube A? No. No one has got A square B. Come and keep it here. ಅಕಡೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ
Down, back, down.
Back. Okay. She has kept it back. No problem. She has all the freedom. Just like boys where they wanted to keep, they kept it. Girls have kept it in a different way. Is that okay?
Yes.
Now, here there is something pending, correct?
Yes.
What is that? Volume?
A.
B square A or AB square. So who has got AB square? Just raise your hand. Yes. Come and keep it. Did we get cube?
No.
Did we get cube? If he keeps there.
Yes.
Cube?
Yes.
Huh? Is it a cube? No. Okay. See, they are telling it is almost a cube, but something
One
is
side.
missing, Mataji. She is telling.
Small
But boys, they have arranged it in one order. Yes, the whole thing is missing here. So how we can reorganize? Which group will try to do that? Okay, they have organized in some other way. We'll see. See? Is it a cube? I'm not asking whether it is a square or not. I want you to discuss. What can go here? What can go here so that you can get a cube? Complete cube. Because we want a small piece of 3 dimension. Is it a square? Think. Discuss. Okay, that group has given me the answer. A cube, okay. Sir, they have told a cube and there another group has given a cube. We will listen to them why they are telling it as a.
Volume of a cube is a cube. So we need a cube there.
So both of them are telling a cube. But our assumption was this length is a. That much space is here. Very small, tiny spaces here. I have got that. Let me fill it. A very small, tiny space.
B cube.
B cube.
A cube.
Then can it be A cube?
No.
It can be only B cube. So did we get the complete cube?
Yes.
We have B square A. And one small tiny cube. Correct? Now all of you look at this, write down the volume. If we put all this together, we are getting A plus B whole cube. But what is this each piece? You have already told. Try to put it in algebraic form. How we can write it? How many reds are there? How many greens are there? Put together means which symbol you use. So shall we write it on the board? Answers from 3 groups from girl side. So we will take the answer. You will compare it with your answer. The remaining students. Okay. So what is the volume of this cube? Raise your hand. Okay.
A cube.
So first we have A cube. Correct?
Yes.
Now, what is the volume of this green color cuboid? Yes, A square B. But how many A square B's are there?
3.
So, how I can write it as?
3A square B.
Yes. Now, what is the volume of this red one?
3A.
3AB square. Then what we have?
B cube.
A tiny cube B cube. Correct?
Yes.
If we put together all, what we are getting? The resultant cube, new cube. If we put together all, that means what symbol I have to use in between? Adding all the cube and cuboids, correct?
Yes.
Here is the new identity. So what is A plus B whole cube?
A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube.
B cube. If I had X and Y here, can you just discuss in your group how you can express it? Here instead of A and B, I am having X and Y. So first bench has already got the answer. Apart from leader, somebody else have to give me the answer. Who will give the answer? Now.
Plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube.
Y cube. So is it right?
Yes.
Now instead of x and y, if I have m and n, so if I give any other alphabet, will you be ready to do it?
Yes.
Now observe here, I have m here plus 2 here. How you can do this? Discuss, and whichever group is ready, raise your hand. I'll come and see now. Correct? Shall we do it another way now?
Yes.
Now, if I give you 1 plus p whole cube,